Hello, in this video I'm going to cover arithmetic operators in the Kotlin programming language. So operators essentially allow you to perform some operation on values and variables. The arithmetic operators allow you to perform, I think you've guessed it, arithmetic operations. So you've got addition, you have subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulus. I'm going to cover all 5 of them. So first of all, let's create a couple of variables. So var, say num1 equals, let's put 55. The numbers don't really matter. Let's say num2 equals 23. And we are going to say print ln. So this is going to be addition operator. And to add two values or two variables together, you just put plus, as you would write it on paper. So num1 plus num2, and that result is returned to the location that it is actually written in. So this right here is the equivalent of writing 78. But let me just show you that that's what it prints out. There we go, it prints out 78. Now let's have a look at the subtraction operator. If you already have an idea of what to do, you've already figured it out, I recommend pausing the video, having a go yourself, and then just having a look to confirm. It's a great way of learning. If not, feel free to keep watching. So if you just do num1 minus num2, and if we click run, we should get, we get result 32, which is right. 55 minus 23 is 32. Now let's have a look at the multiplication operator. Multiplication operator. So these are all, I'll do a multi-line comment. I'll say so these are arithmetic operators. And I'll even do for a bunch of dashes. This is just for styling, no other purpose to it. So arithmetic operators, the multiplication operator for the print line, and I'll do num1 times num2, and if I run it, we'll get 55 times by 23. Let's see if I can work it out in my head. 55 times by 20 is 1100. Let's just keep that at the side. 55 times by 3 is 165. 1100 add 165 is what? 1265. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying 1265. Okay, there we go. I've shown that my mental math is pretty decent. Thank you very much. I'm only joking. So the multiplication operator, that's it. It's the asterisk symbol, whereas the plus and minus resembles the exact same way you would write it on paper. Multiplication and division is slightly different, simply because the only thing that represents, or the closest thing to the multiplication operator on a keyboard is the letter X, and that's, well, the letter X. That's reserved for that functionality. And the next operator I'll show you is the division operator. And if I put println num1 divided by num2, and this is another one. Division, instead of it being like the what is it, like the dot and then the horizontal line and then the dot again, it is just a /. And let's see what we get. So we get 2. You might be thinking, okay, everything else seems fine, but why is this giving us 2? 55 divided by 23, 2 times 23 is 46, 3 times 23 is 69. So it's not quite 3, it's not 2, it should be like 2.5 almost. And the thing is, because these are integers, and the way we are writing it like this, it's doing integer divided by another integer. As a result, it's only going to return an integer, and it just gets rid of the decimal point. If we want to do, let's say, full accurate division, we do num1 dot 2, and if we convert it to, let's say, a float, if you don't know what we're doing here, recommend checking out the data type conversion video. We do the same for num2 dot 2 float, and now if we run it, let's see what we get. As you can see, we get 2.39, etc., etc. So this is a way if you want more accurate numbers, and it really, comes into play when you're doing division. The last operator I'm going to show you is the Modulus Operator, and this is a simple one. So this is println num1 to do the Modulus Operator, and put the % symbol. Num2, let's see what we get. We get 9. Now thinking, okay, what the hell has even happened? If you don't know what the Modulus Operator is, it's essentially does division, integer division, and it gives you the remainder. So remember long division that you did at school. So you would do, how many times is 23 going to 55? Count it up, 23, 46. You can't go over more than that because it goes over number 1. So it goes into it twice, but what's the remainder? It's, well, 55 minus 46, which is 9. And that's what the Modulus Operator does. If you want to work out the remainder of dividing two numbers, that's what you do. That's it, simple stuff. It's the same if you have, instead of, integers, longs, doubles, shorts, bytes, whatever number you have, or floats, or whatever, it's the same principle. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.